Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you could fix the problem of not being able to scroll in Microsoft Excel. So let's open our Excel file and I will show you what do I mean by that. So normally, by using the mouse, the cursor, you should be able to scroll down or scroll to the right or left. But this option in many times get locked and you cannot use it. To fix this problem, go to your search bar and type on-screen keyboard. Click on the on-screen keyboard to open. At this stage, what we are looking for a button called Scroll Link Locked or SCR-LK. Here you can see it on the right. Just click on it to be deselected. Now the color has disappeared. It has been deselected. Now we're going to try to scroll inside. So we can go ahead and close it. We're going to use the keyboard and try to scroll in Excel. And it's working. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.